How to delete TurboTax account online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'll demonstrate how to delete a TurboTax account. First of all, log into your TurboTax account. Once you're logged in, click on the Intuit Account button at the bottom left. You'll be taken to a new page. Then after, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down and find the option to permanently delete your personal data. Choose the appropriate option and follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. Be aware that it may take up to 15 days for the data to be completely deleted. Once you agree to all the terms and conditions, click on Delete the Data to complete the process. After this, you'll no longer be able to access your account. This is how you can delete TurboTax account online. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.